Hey everyone, and welcome to the Quick Wins Snapshot. So this snapshot has been created specifically for business owners who are new to GoHighLevel as a way to help them be able to utilize the system to enhance their business right away. So without having to wait to understand how to use your GoHighLevel account, we've already added in main automations that you're going to be able to utilize right away. We've also added in a few extra features. We've added in a calendar for you, a sales pipeline that you can utilize, as well as a Linktree funnel that you can use for your business. Let's go ahead and jump into the automation so we can take a look at some of the workflows that have been created that you can use right away to help generate more leads and increase business performance. So the first automation that's been created is the automated FAQ reply. This is going to be really easy to put together. We've done it with custom values, which is going to allow you to customize the message that your prospects get. This workflow is specifically designed for those who are looking for your business, who are going to message you, whether it's from the web chat widget, your Google My Business chat, Facebook Messenger, or Instagram DM. We've compiled 4 common FAQs. So rather than you having to manually respond to these leads, this automation is going to respond on your behalf with messaging that you've pre-configured. So if we go into any, whether it's the Google My Business, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, or web chat widget, we can see that we're utilizing custom values. So these custom values, you're going to be able to configure inside the settings of your account to customize the messaging that your leads will receive. Additionally, we've also pre-built a database reactivation campaign with email and SMS messaging that you can customize as well. This database reactivation campaign is over 1 month period of time. So throughout that time, your lead list is going to be dripped on with emails and SMS messaging to get them to opt in and make a purchase. Now, the third main automation is going to be request reviews sequence. So this is designed for you to be able to take a list of your existing database of people who have already purchased your products or services. Maybe they left a review, maybe they didn't. This is going to be a way where you can easily upload that contact list into your GoHighLevel system and add them to this workflow. That way you can generate more Google My Business, Facebook reviews, or maybe if you're using a custom review link, you're going to be able to generate more reviews to help increase your business ranking, and it's going to help give you credit with future or potential customers down the line, and it's going to let them know that you are a proven business, you have testimonials, people like your products or services. Next up, we have the automated appointment confirmation and reminder sequence. So this is something we've added in there because one of the things that can really help a business is to make sure that the lead is aware of the appointment. It's going to help increase the show rate and decrease the no-show rate. So we went ahead and added that in there. We've also created generic messaging for this as well. Again, you're going to be able to customize the messaging, but it's generic enough where it's not going to matter if you're using a calendar for in-person appointments, Zoom consultations, or maybe it's a meeting over the phone. It's not going to matter. You're going to be able to use this automation for it. Now we also have the last 2 automations, task notification. This is a big one because a lot of the times as a business, we have tasks that we need to get done and we often forget about them. With the task notification workflow, it's going to remind you when the task is due, as well as reminding you after that task, once it has been overdue, hey, this task is still due, you need to get this done. So this is just a great way to make sure that you're on top of what needs to get done and that no task falls through the cracks. Now, the last automation goes with the database reactivation campaign. This is built specifically for if somebody opts in and maybe they reply to the database reactivation campaign, this is just going to filter whether it's a negative reply or a positive reply. And if it is a positive reply, it's going to go ahead and notify one of your assigned users. That way they can immediately respond to this prospect to hopefully generate a sale. Now, additionally, if we go into the Sites tab here, you're going to notice the Linktree option. We created a customizable Linktree, so if you preview it here, it's basically built in black and white. You can easily go into the editor and edit these colorings to match with your business or branding. You're going to be able to upload your own logo. You're going to be able to change the color scheme to match your branding here. Really easy. And then, of course, when you're done, you can hit save and you can easily connect a domain or use a domain redirect to activate your Linktree. And that is all for the Quick Wins Snapshot. This is a simple snapshot that we've created to help business owners like you utilize HighLevel in a way that actually makes an impact on their business. If you're interested in utilizing the snapshot, go ahead and click the button below. If you're somebody who's new to HighLevel and you don't have a HighLevel account yet, there's going to be a bump order option for you to generate your own HighLevel account. It's going to give you access to this snapshot and the HighLevel system with all the features it has to offer. Now, there's so much more that HighLevel can do for your business, but this is just a way to get you started and seeing the impact that it can make on your business right away. If you want to learn more or you have any questions, feel free to contact us at GoHighLevel360. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.